Here's just a little quick video here what I did for my barbecue tray. Slides underneath. And it happens to be for a Weber, but whatever. If you got a nice, I believe it's stainless steel. Anyways, I used Mother's mag and aluminum polish. I'm not endorsing them. I'm just saying this is a product that I use. And I'm cleaning it up. All the oxidization, even though we keep this tray inside once I'm finished, so we don't get any unwanted visitors after I'm barbecuing. Over the years you can get pits. I don't know if you can see any of them, but it starts to pit or whatever, so you're better to protect this to make it last for a long time. Polish it up just like I do with the bumpers and like the wheels of my truck with the same product, and you're good to go. Barbecue tray 101 cleaning.